Yo, yo, yo. Let me just get this out of the way, guys. Welcome, welcome. Let me turn that down. Yo. How's it going, everyone? Hope everyone's good. Yeah, gold today. Let's bring gold up. Gold today, there's been a few entries. The cleanest entry for me was probably 6 a.m. That 6 a.m. candle, but like I say, we'll break that down in a second, guys. Let's see how many's in. Got 10 in right now. Just wait for a few more. See if we can catch something on today's stream, guys. Like I say. Yo, Wes, how's it going, mate? Yeah, let's see who's here. Drop a comment if you've joined. Alex, how's it going, mate? Welcome, welcome. How are you? Who's traded today? Has anybody taken any positions? I'm still tradeless, even though there's been some decent opportunities. Like the best trade for me was this entry here. Bang, that entry there. I know, Wes, you caught a little bit of something just now. That was a clean entry. Yo, Bowden, how's it going? Hello, Tinkerbell. How are you, mate? I've never been called that, but it's a first. I'll take it. Decent. There's been some good entries. Don't get me wrong. Have I taken anything? No, because I've just not liked this up and down price action. Like there's no direction. Big push down, big push up, big push down, big push up. It's like a big range. Normally you find this on like a lower scale, like this here. It's just been a bigger range, like bigger tick value range than normal. But it is what it is. You just trade what you see. Darren, how's it going, mate? Welcome, welcome, guys. Gold has been dead, yeah, it has today. There's not been too many opportunities. There's been some good trades where, like, I would have 100% taken this if I was on the chart at 6 o'clock, and would have taken 100 ticks. But I can't take a trade when I'm just not on the charts. Like, that's a perfect entry for me. Closure above, liquidity, clear, liquidity to trade into. I'm gonna re-break gold down in a second. Let me just see. Let me just wait for a few more to join. We've got 15 in right now. 16. I took a couple of scalps on Nas, but nothing really. Nice work, Wes. How did they go? Profit? Are you in profit, mate? I'm good, pal. Good day today. No trading, no stress. 100%, mate. Have you just not taken any trades because there's no setup? So have you not taken anything because you've got something else on? Let's chat Naz really quickly. Yeah, nothing. Yo, Pickles, how's it going, mate? Welcome, Mark. Yesterday was running 2%, but I missed closing position when yesterday highs got swept, ended up at break even. Yeah, that's the thing as well. Like, pay yourself, mate. And that's why our management in the community is top level. Like the way the way that we trade and the way I teach how to manage positions is a different level, because if you if you catch a position, we understand that we pay ourselves at our liquidity targets where price could reverse. We manage at levels, we manage at liquidity targets, and that's why, you know, you have decent green days, and that's why you see the consistency. You know, the problem you have is, you know, running into 2% and letting it. You haven't. It's not really a free trade. It's good to say, yeah, free trade, and it is a free trade if you've taken some profits off, of course. But if you've been 2% in profit and your 2% profit's gone to break even, it's not exactly free. You've lost 2%. You need to be taking partials. You need to be taking a bit out of the market, pay yourself, and then if it goes to break even, you've still made money. All right. just understand that when price is running, take partials with it, and not early when you're wrong, so you can cut it quickly. Okay. Took a buy it. Hello, everyone. Corner, how's it going? Ali, welcome. Good stuff. Where's one locked out? Nice. Good to see. I love the lockout feature. Lockout feature's great. One sec, guys. Yo, Joe, you taking anything yet, mate? No, nothing for me today. I took a little position yesterday on the alpha. I made like $170 or something. Nothing crazy. Dun, dun, dun. Yeah, nothing crazy. What is that? Get that back on. Right, just check the stream health. Stream's healthy still. Right, good. I'll start breaking down in a second, guys. Start breaking down in a second. You know, like I said, we've got 3 minutes until the 15 clauses, so all good. I just don't personally... Oh, scalping gold has been good this morning. But 23s to 28s. Have a look. 23 here to 28. Nice. Yeah, Ali, that's a nice trade. That hourly closure, rejecting, taking liquidity, rejecting this level. That's not bad. It's just been a bit choppy for me in here. Yeah, that after that closure here, that's not a bad trade, man. But yeah, I'll break down now, guys. I'll break down. I'll have a look through comments after I've brought down gold, okay? So, looking at the 4... I'm just having a look at the 4 hourly because the 4 hourly is quite interesting. You can see that if you look at this candle here, what has it done? Taken liquidity here, closed nice and bullish, and you've got some highs. You've taken some highs to the downside. Now it's time to see if we can take some highs to the upside. For example, here and here. And I think if we do start closing above, you know, the level that I'll go over in a second, you can start seeing some pushes to the upside here on gold, okay? So, quickly, that's what I'm looking for on the 4 hourly. Look, you've taken liquidity here. We've still got liquidity to take above. Can we see that push higher? Possibly. Sells for me, if I am going to be looking to sell gold today, my overall targets will be down here. I'm not going to really mark out any targets for sells because buys look more probable right now. But what I'll be looking for in terms of buys, I'll be looking for buys back above. Now, like I say, before, I'd say that buys back above here were clean. But now we've rejected, I'd say back above 30.30 now, okay? I'd say back above this level at 30.30. Now we've rejected here, look, okay? Now we've had a rejection here. And now we've had a rejection here and here and here. I'd say this level is valid now for buys back above, okay? So back above here, I'm going to be looking for longs into some highs, for example, here at 30.36 maybe, okay? That is the plan for me on that. In terms of sells, sell level for me, probably here. Yeah, I'd need to see some volume to the downside if I'm even thinking about sells right now on gold. So let's wait for these clauses, guys. That's what I'm looking for. Don't personally like placing a TP as I take partials. Nice one, Alex. Yeah, if you don't set a TP and just take like 10% or 20% as you go each time, it's fine. You know, if you get the direction right, just make sure you're paying yourself, you know? Make sure you're paying yourself a little bit. Alright? That's how I see it anyway. You wait, you know, you wait an hour, 2 hours for a setup in your session. It goes into profit. It hits your first liquidity target or your first area of where you want to get partials. And people just like go break even. Like, nah, pay yourself at that area because that's where it could reverse. Yeah, lockout so I don't overtrade and it keeps it consistent 100%. Just lock out when you get to your 200 day. Just lock out, man. Good idea. In terms of news, guys, if we head over to the news, we haven't got we haven't got much news today. We've got some amber news in 15 minutes. Red pound news, but that really won't affect gold. USD news. Oh, get that out of the way. USD news here is the only thing that affects gold. But tomorrow is when you have got some USD news here. Look, you've got some GDP, which is red, and unemployment claims, which is tomorrow. So expect like a bit of range and chop. Expect some range and chop on gold before 12:30, and then you'll get direction after 12:30. But like I say, I don't look at that. That's not something I look at. I don't say I'm not trading gold at all. No, I'll trade up to like 11:30, quarter to 12, and I just won't trade until like 1. I'll just give it like an hour, plus or minus a little bit. Let gold settle, and then I'll start trading again. It's not a complete write-off like it is for some people. So that is for the next 2 days on news. We've got some pound news, red news in 15 minutes, but I'm still going to be trading gold as normal. That doesn't affect it for me. I only look at USD news, and I only don't trade red USD news. Or if it's like, I don't know, elections or something, okay? So that is what we've got for the next couple of days. Tomorrow I will be on stream for the London session because we've got red news at 12:30 in the US session. So make sure you're here for that. But yeah, that's what I'm looking for. Not much happening on news, and that is what I'm looking for today. If we want to zoom out, guys, if you want me to have a look at any other pairs as well, make sure you get it in and we can have a look. Crypto, Forex, whatever. I analyze it all the same. But yeah, buys back above here. Closes, buys back above, on closes above. Looking for closures for buys. Dun, dun, dun. Cheers for the likes, everyone. Yeah, if you haven't already, guys, drop a like, smash it. Let's smash 20 again. We smashed 20 yesterday, which is insane. Nice one. Oh, but yeah, looking at the 4 hourly, I'd expect the 4 hour to drive. If it doesn't and it starts closing bearish, then sells, because you've got loads of liquidity, really. You've only taken these lows here for buys. That's why I'm liking buys, but if you do start breaking back below this level, then you've still got all these lows here to take. Dun, dun, dun. But yeah, let's see if we can catch something today. Be good to catch something on stream. But it's about staying patient. And that's the thing. I don't just jump on and take trades not to my plan. It's not what we do. I come on, I'll take every single trade to the plan. Whether or not we've got 100 people watching wanting me to take a trade. Nope. Like, you gotta treat it like a business. Treat it like a job that you need to come up, turn up and do it every single day. The same thing. Look at that level. Beautiful level here on gold now we're coming back into. 30-30. We've been playing 30-30 all week here. We were playing it. Yesterday we were playing it. And right now, look, same time. Literally like clockwork. What happens if you buy gold now? You're probably just gonna get chopped up, bro. Yeah, the thing is, like, there's a lot of retail. Look at this. Look at these candles here. These blue candles. What do retail see? Retail see buying opportunity. They start buying, you know, stops on the lows. Look, retail are getting stopped out now. So all we're seeing now is just liquidity being taken for us to continue higher potentially. So expect maybe a little bit of chop if you're trying to enter here. How long did it take for you to pay out, reach your bank account normally with prop firm? Depends, mate. I've had like a week, depending on which the prop firm is. I've been with many prop firms and I've had payouts with many different prop firms, but Top Step, who I trade with now, is like 1 to 2 days on average. Yeah, like 1 to 2 days on average. How did you learn trading, Joe? Oh, I've been trading like 7 years now. Yeah, 7 years. I've been in so many different places to learn, not just one place. I couldn't just name one place where I've learned trading. Many different places, mate. Most of the learning's done like through journaling as well. Journaling your trades, seeing what you're doing wrong, like picking up different patterns in the market. Like, there's only... One sec. Yeah, good level there on gold. Yeah, that's it. There's not one thing what I've learned to learn trading. It's over the years, different people, I don't know, videos, backtesting, journaling, loads of different things, mate. How old are you, Joe? I'm 25, mate. 25. Yeah, 25. What I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna pin the free Telegram link. Okay. Pin the free Telegram link. If you want to join the free Telegram, just get involved there. Let me pin it. Yeah, if you're not already in, I've just pinned the link. You can feel free to sign up there, man, guys. But yeah, simple analysis for me. You're stuck within this range here. I don't really want to do anything within here. I want to stay patient within here. Many people have been chopped about today, I'll tell you that. You have had some decent opportunities today, though. Wee baby. For now. Crazy to think that I started when I was like, well, I'd say properly when I was 18. It's been a long time now. 7, going on 8 years. Yeah, Banji. Started when I was 18. When I started trading, it was like the Sean Lee, Roger Banks era, Tom Dante. Like, if people here who haven't been trading as long as me, if you don't understand who them names are, they were like I don't know. I don't even know anybody nowadays. I don't even look at who trades what nowadays. But like, they were the people everyone looked up to. Probably people who've been trading now like 2-3 years probably have no idea who I'm talking about. But they probably don't do much anymore. But they used to be the ones. Respect that, nice one. That experience is priceless. Yeah, that's it as well. Like, it took me well long, like 3 to 4 years before I saw any sort of payout or any profits from trading. Like you see on TikTok, people go, it took me 4 months to get profitable. I'm like, yeah, 4 months is nowhere near enough to see if you're profitable. You might have had like 2 months of payouts. Wow. Let me embrace the struggle and keep pushing. 6 months in, Banji. Good stuff, man. Keep going. Beautiful. Yeah, man. Just keep pushing. Keep going, bro. You want to quit at some point? When you feel like that, just take a day off and get back onto it day after. There's no need. The amount, well, I only did it maybe like 2 or 3 times where I just went, not doing that again, not doing this anymore, can't be bothered. And then like the day after or the week after, I was straight back on it. New challenge, new 100k challenge, not knowing exactly what I was doing, but I was straight on it. How many have we got in now? Let's see. Stream health looking good. Perfect. 18 in now, guys. Yeah, guys, if you have any questions or if you want me to break, if everybody just trades gold here, then sweet. If anybody trades any other pairs, let me know. Whilst we're waiting for gold to set up, I can break down anything. Like, my analysis works on any pair. Like, probably even if you trade, like, copper or corn or something, or cattle. I'm sure there's a cattle. Why am I spelling it like that? I'm sure there's a cattle there. Yeah, cattle. There you go, live cattle futures. Look at that. There you go, trade some cattle. Oof. See? Told you it works. Liquidity grab, closure, flip entry. See? There's... People say to me, you can only trade gold. No, I can't. I can trade live cattle, mate. Like, there you go. That's perfect to the plan. Trading cattle right in front of you. Copper has been trending. Let's have a look. Copper. Oh. Oh, aye. Look at that. Look at that alert. That was a good alert, weren't it? Look at, oh my god, look at that for an alert. Literally. That's like a beast entry. %17%. Friend has had a long on for 2 months. Nice. Nice. Very nice. Where is this? Because I'm going to go live on TikTok. I think the cost element of Top Step against the reality gives you live. Yeah, 100%. Yeah, Darren, 100%. Like, Top Step prices are very, very good. Like, when you pass, you know, you've got that trailing drawdown and you've got less buffer. But if you've got multiple accounts, you don't need to be like, if you've got like 5 accounts, you'll need to be getting like $100 to $200 a day, which is very, very doable. You know, one contract, just think of it, one contract is, you know, if you want to get $100 a day on 5 accounts, get $500, that's 10, that's literally 10 ticks. And gold has moved 200 ticks here. So you need literally like 5 to 10% of the move, which is nothing. PA on gold today, absolutely bonkers. Yeah, like I said, this is all we can trade for now. Let's say in the next, I don't know, let's say in the next hour or something, we get something like this. Then yeah, I'll change my range to something like this, and I'll be looking for sells below here. But right now I just can't. I can't have that range because I've not got that price action, unfortunately. We'll see. But the thing with Top Step as well, is they're a good price, and you can have multiple accounts and you can pass multiple at the same time. So like, you don't need to be getting like 2 to 3k per week on one account when you can just get like 10 to 15 ticks per day. You know, the risk management aspect of it with that trailing drawdown as well is good, I think, personally. But yeah, that is what I'm looking for. I'd expect anybody going short here now would have their stops on these highs and these highs. So if we can start closing back above some levels, then you're probably going to get this potential play down on gold. Some sort of play down like that. Because if you understand what most retail are doing here, and what are most retail traders doing here, most retail traders are going short right now. If they're not going short here, they're going short at this level or around here, where they're going to have their stops on these highs here and these highs here. So what can we look to do? If we start breaking back above some levels like here and here, we can look to trade into their stop loss and profit into their stop loss here, okay? I don't use stop losses. That ends up causing losses. You don't lose until... I always have a stop loss in. Yeah, Bowden. You don't lose until you exit on live. Yeah. It's like with gambling. You can't lose if you don't stop. Nah, I always have a stop, especially with like a 2k, drawdown on Top Step. If you've got like a 2k drawdown on Top Step, you've got like 8 trades before you lose the account if you're using like a 15 tick stop. So for me, having a stop loss and knowing that I've got 8 trades before I lose the account is absolutely fine. Because I've worked out with my strike rate and my stop loss size that the chances of me losing that account without upping my risk, because after a payout I up my risk. If I up my risk after it, I've only got like 2 or 3 trades, which I'm not bothered about. But if I'm using like one contract on a 15 tick stop loss, I've got like 8 trades, and it's like 1% chance of losing the account. But you know, there's still a chance. Not taking any of these laws. Let's have a look at Bitcoin. What's Bitcoin doing? Bitcoin. Oh, bye-bye. Look at that. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful sweeper liquidity. Look at that. Swept that liquidity perfectly. Sold off. That'd be a decent area, wouldn't it, to come back into? I went into 200 pip drawdown, went to sleep, woke up at 8 AM, 100 pip profit. Oh, nice. What was that? Just like hold and hope? Yeah, I'd expect bang. Potentially. Look at that, accumulated like that. You possibly even could get that here. Something like that. Check the community chat really quickly, guys. One sec. Nope, all good. Yeah, price action's been a little bit dead today. It's not been the best. It's not been the best. Nothing to brag about. There's been no entries for me anyway. Like, if you just look at the market, what it's done. It's just been like these big, like, not even like, normally when you get a range on gold, it ranges with like 30 to 40 ticks, and you can find a lot of breakouts. But when you've got these big swings and you can only use a bigger range like we're using now, there's a lot more waiting to do because it takes more time for price to break out. That's just the difference, and that's why we're waiting for longer today. You know, if we had a range like this, which we could have in the next hour, you'd only be waiting a couple of hours, well, maybe like 15, 20 minutes to get a breakout. But because you've got a bigger range, you just got to wait. You know, the higher the time frame of the range that you're using, the longer you need to wait. But that's what we've got right now. Need a clear breakout? Yeah, man. We do. We need summit. We need something. That'd be nice. But like I say, I'd like I think breaks above for me right now with the way that gold's printing on the 4 hourly. I'd like breaks above. With how we've taken this liquidity to the downside, close bullish back above here. If we get back above this level, then yeah, you're probably gonna push higher. But then the problem is with all-time highs again. Which, it's annoying. All-time highs. It's just a wait. All-time highs is just a waiting game again. Are you able to show your levels on NQ? Yeah, sure, mate. NQ. Thing with NQ as well, it had a deep sell-off. It's taken liquidity to the downside. Look. Swept this liquidity, swept this liquidity, swept this liquidity. And it just, every market trades the same. Look, liquidity, sweep liquidity. What did it do once it took this liquidity? Push down. What did it do when it's taken this liquidity? Potentially push higher now. So, like I said, I'd expect, if looking at the weekly as well, I'd expect maybe a bit more of a push higher before pushing down on NQ. Just a little bit of a higher time frame analysis there. But in terms of what I'd have right now, if I was trading NQ, let's have a look. Nothing super clear. Tell you what, that is ugly. Ugly. Possibly buys back above here. Yeah, probably buys back above this level here on NQ. You know, you've got resistance, big resistance here. I think if you get back above there, you could push into these highs. That's something I'd look at. You know, you've even got, look at this, you've got shoulder, head, right shoulder, breakout and retest. I'd expect that. In terms of sells, it'll have to be here. That's the only level you've got for sells. That's the only level you've got for sells right now. That's the thing though, there's just nothing standing out right now on NQ or gold. This is the only thing that I've got on gold, this bigger range. Just got big swings. Like, look at yesterday. Look at yesterday's swings that we had. Highs and lows, look. Look at this. Nice. Look at that. You know, not as big swings today. You've just got these big swings, look. And when you've got these bigger swings, you've got bigger ranges to deal with. And there's just more, it just means there's more waiting. Because you've obviously got a lot more to do to break out. Just understand that and trade what we have in front of us. Perfect, you're going to do that. Nice one, Anton. I'd be interested to see if that played out. I'd be interested to see if this head and shoulders played out on the 30. It's looking very nice. I think on NQ here, look at the liquidity you've got. You've got liquidity above market to take, which is just effectively the neckline. And you've got shoulder, head, right shoulder. I'll say if you get any sort of candle... Oh my god, it looks like a face now. If you get any sort of candle pattern confirmation around here, I'd expect it to push higher. Obviously, you'd have to see the confirmation patterns around here. You couldn't just start... I personally wouldn't just start buying here. It's just a very stupid thing to do. If you get the 3 candle pattern or the confirmation we talk about in the community to long, then do it. Or I personally do it. And then obviously if it carried on just pushing down below here, then you'd flip it to bears. We'd have to see something here. We'll just watch that for now. Yes, guys, welcome. If you've not already, guys, subscribe, like, drop a comment. Let's see who's here. How many subscribers? 659 subs, guys. Nice one. If you've not already, guys, drop a subscribe and a like. Support the stream. It does help, it does help. What's 15 saying? Yeah, 15's rejecting this level now. But yeah, I'd expect now, because you can even see it on the 15. You know, look at that. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. Could we potentially come and push into this liquidity here, which is the neckline, to then push even higher? Let's see. Going to be looking for an impulse and take the highs. Oh, so you're going to be looking for buys back above here, Anton. Back above here. Or are you talking about gold? Or gold pushing, let's see. Oh, here we go. Alex giving us the signal. Alex with the signals. NQ, yeah, so NQ impulse would be back above. NQ impulse would be back above here because that's your range effectively. I was just giving a bit of analysis on that head and shoulders, which could be clean. It could be clean. Yeah, Goldie starting to push now, which is good to see. Potentially we could get some entries on that soon. What's that 30 closing like? Didn't sweep any liquidity. It's annoying. Probably an hourly entry. Probably get an hourly entry here if we close above. Yeah, so let me just, so for anybody who's just joined, buys above here. I'm personally looking for that, okay? Come on, your strategy has got me 16 wins, 4 losses, 3 break-evens. Unbelievable, bro. Appreciate it, Alex. Thanks for sharing that. Was making money before, but now it has elevated me so much, and so thank you. Nice one. Great to see. Am I trading this live? Yeah, if I take any positions whilst I'm on, I only stay live for like an hour and a half, 2 hours a day. But if I catch a trade in that time, then yeah. Like I say, I can't stay on live forever. I've got other things with the community to do. But I come jump on an hour and a half on average. So I'll be on for another like 30 minutes maybe. 30, 40 minutes. Dun, dun. NQ's pushing as well, look. Exactly how we said. Look at that. Look at that. Perfect. Confirmed. There's your entry. Off that head and shoulders. You could be even break even now if you wanted. Beautiful entry. Just brought that down, look. Swept liquidity, 5 minute, 15 minute close bullish, bang. Not the strongest close, but valid. And look at that, shoulder, head, shoulder. Might have took a little cheeky entry on that. Might have took a little cheeky entry on that. Oh, Wes, did you take it? You take the US 100 trade that we were talking about. That is beautiful. Look at that. What an entry. Look at that. Head, shoulder, head, bang. Beautiful. If we break above, high on the closure above, yeah, potentially. It depends how we close. Like, I've got a couple of entries that I take. Depending on how we close out of ranges. I'll assess that in 10 minutes. Joe, you could be the next NQ wizard. I tell you what, we might have to add it to the arsenal. Look at that. Beautiful trade. I might or I might not have made a cheeky 200 there on my top steps. I might or might not have done. Beautiful. Everything. I literally brought that down live in front of everyone. Like, in front of everybody. Like, there's nothing... No, tell me how many people are doing that. Like, getting trades like this. Right in front of you. And... top-down analysis. Breaking them down. You know, if you wanted to, you wouldn't have your stop there. You'd have it even tighter. So this would be like... if you're a risk-to-reward trader, you've got like 1.5R there. And that's running break-even. But... yeah, that's that. But yeah, I'm waiting for gold here now, guys. Yes, mate. Haha, nice. See, nice one. Yeah, I'd like these highs to get taken. Dun, dun, dun. Cheers to the subscribers, guys. Nice one. Yeah, beautiful, beautiful entry there. Still running. It's all you need. Like, that is literally all you need. Especially on NQ. One contract on NQ, that's like $250. That little move. And that's all we catch. Them little moves. I'd say the next entry for me on this would probably this 30 closure. If you get a strong 30 closure, you're probably going to come into these highs here. But I'd expect this to work out now. Now you're rejecting this right shoulder. I'd expect this to push higher on NQ. Depends. It could, like I said, this 30 could reject and continue down. Well, if it does and it closes below here, then you simply just take it down into these lows. But gold is just sidetracking right now. How's everyone else's day been? Has everyone taken many trades today? Let me know. Alex, no, I don't think he is. Anton, I don't think he is. I'm not 100. I don't think he is, no. Ba-ba-dum-bum. Strange PA. Goldie. Happy to get a little bit of something on that NQ though for today. I won't really touch NQ, but when it sets up like that, and gold's been dead, a little bit of risk isn't bad. Sorry guys, I'm just updating the community with my range. No, I'm not. Oh no. What so? 4 Nash trades and 1 break even on gold. Wes, nice work. Are you locked out of all? Are you locked out now, Wes, of all accounts? Or you just have you got some open still? Alex, I highly recommend you join the community. It'll be the best decision you ever make. Trust me. Anton, legend. I appreciate it. Anton. Nice one. I know people are like, why are you calling King Arthur Anton? It's because I am talking about Arthur. It's just Anton's his actual name. 2 out of 3, need 150 on last one. Nice. Don't rush it, man. Just if a setup presents, execute. I like how you splitting the accounts up too. I like it. It's good for the psychology. Could we have a level here? Let's have a look. Could we? Potentially. Yeah, I like this. I do. Yeah. I like that. Updated range. Yeah, I like that. That is it, because the thing is, I still like some of these lows to get taken on gold. So if we can get some like nice volume closes below this level, then I'm guessing this trendline liquidity is going to get taken. So if we can get like a closure below here, then you're probably going to push at least into this trend line, so we can sell into the trend line. Because, like always, what you need to understand what are retail doing at both sides of the market. Well, the ones who are buying here will have their stops here to push higher, and it's the same for sells, and they just get trapped within these ranges. I can second that, Alex. Appreciate it, Wes. Hi, Anton. If the setup presents, execute. Definitely. Don't even worry about it. Don't worry about it. Like, if you think it's to the plan, just take the trade. Worry about it later. Like... Yeah, worry about it later. That's all I do. Like, I took a trade on stream last week, maybe. Then I looked back at it and I was like, maybe shouldn't I have sold there? But I didn't worry about it at the time because I ain't got enough time to be worried about it. Need 150, then I can go for another payout. Insane. Insane, man. That's like 3 payouts in 3 weeks. Or, yeah, 2 weeks. That'd be like your 4th payout. Insane. Great stuff, man. Love to see it. I really do. How many are in right now, guys? We've got... Yeah, currently watching this on gold here. I don't mind this range. I think this is a decent range. If we can get closes below, you're probably going to push lower. 4 hourly. Yeah. Yeah, 4 hourly as well. Rejecting this overall bigger level, which is fine. Let's have a look at, let's check the news. Anything happening? Nah, nothing. Nothing there, guys. Yeah, I'm just gonna update this range really quickly. So the plan for me is buys above here. Oh, buys above. And sells below. Like that. That's what I'm looking for on gold right now. Something like that. Oh. Buys above, sells above. If we can get some clauses below here, then yeah, you got a decent level here. You can see how clear it really is. Reaction, 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 reaction. I like clauses below here for sells. I just want to update this really quickly. What's happening with the stream here? Connection's good. Good. Right, here we're looking like we're starting to close below here now, which is interesting. Let's see how far we want to close below, because this is looking decent now for sells. I do like sells if we can close below this level now. It depends how far we do. You've got some decent first targets too on gold down here, which I'd like to come and take, and obviously down here too. So yeah, I like this range on gold. Maybe even just a little bit lower. Include that in. Yeah, nice. Good range. Guys, I'll be back in a second, okay? Bear with me. Yo, guys, we're back. Dun-dun-dun-dun. Oh, Goldie, what are you doing? Yeah, I'll see how this 15 closes, guys. We get a decent 15 closure here. We get a decent 15 closure here on the below, then I'll be looking for sells down. You know, you've taken liquidity nicely. Get that closure below, then you can push down. Oh, stream health. What is going on? It was perfect the other day. And that NQ 30 flipping. You got into the bot. Done 3 for 3. Nice. Let's have a look. Oh, yeah, nice. Look at that. Beautiful. Yeah, you'd expect this to continue higher now. Yeah, you'd expect that to continue higher. Nice head and shoulders there. Took liquidity. Beautiful trade though. Have you locked out of all accounts? Wes? Nice work if you have, man. Yeah, I'm waiting for this closure for potential sells below here, guys. Yo, Jamie, how's it going? $760 for the day overall. Nice. Great work, man. Great work. Sorry, guy. I was just checking something on my phone. Yeah, Naz, what a trade. Great work, man. Jamie, welcome. Locked out and ready for a new payout, Wes. That's what we like to see. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Goldie, what are you going to do for us here, lad? What's he going to do? Are we going to clause or not? Are we going to clause? 15 looking nice for a sell, yeah. If we get a closure below here, I'd want a strong closure. I'm not having it if we just close on the level. If we get a strong closure below, then yeah, I'll look for sells. But I want to get below this level here. Because you could come into it, reverse away. Dun, 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 dun. 30. Not doing much. Hourly. Nah, it's the 15 that's looking the smartest. Smartest, the best for me. But I'd want a strong close. We've got a minute. And I want to see how the new candle opens and this closes. If we get a nice open, yeah, I'll look to sell. And Goldie, what are you doing? Nah, it doesn't look like we're going to close here, guys. Nah. Even if you had your level here, you've still not closed below, look. You just closed up on it. Which is a bit annoying. You could, like I say, you could close bearish on the next 15 and then look for sells then. But you could just reject this level and just stay within this range. And that's not what we want to do. You don't want to start looking for sells here. You know, if you entered sells now, you've got a potential of it reversing and carrying on, and then you're just effectively getting chopped within this range. That's not what you want. Dun, 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 dun. Futures looks massively different. How do you deal with it? The futures number is different, but the actual chart and the actual candles that form isn't. It's not much different. So you can just execute the futures as you would the Forex. Yeah, there's not actually that much difference. So if you want to execute this sell here, it'd be the same value, basically. It'd be the same value from where it is from there. So like 15 ticks would be exactly the same on futures. plus or minus a couple of ticks. So yeah, it might look different on value, like the numbers aren't the same because there is a bit of a difference there, but the actual candles, the formation of the candles is the same. Dun, 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 dun. But I'd have to wait now. I'll have to wait for this 15 closure, guys, so... Yeah. This 15 close is back within the range, then yeah, you've got some half risk longs there. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna leave it there and stay active in the Discord. Because obviously we're gonna have to wait here for another at least like 15 to 20 minutes to see how this clause is here. So that is what the plan is for me. I've still got this range. If gold closes below, say if this next 15 has a nice strong closure, say here, then I'll be looking to sell down into these lows. Okay, that's the plan for me. But I need to wait another 15 minutes for this to close. So once that closes, I'll be looking for sells down into my liquidity. If we get back into the range like this, and we've taken some liquidity, you've got some nice longs there. So that is what I'm going to be looking for, okay, guys? Just that. That's the process. I'm going to be waiting for this next 15 to close. But community members, I'll see you in the community, okay? All right. Oh, look at that sell-off now. Why could you not have closed bearish? Why could you have not have closed bearish? Nightmare. But yeah, I'll wait for this 15 to close, guys, and then, like I say, if we see anything, I'll post it in the community. But just wait for this to close, alright? It's the best bet. Trying to long at this level where you could reverse from is risky. So wait for this 15 to close. If it closes bearish, then you've still got some targets here to take out, which is absolutely fine for me. So that's the plan for me. Wait until this 30 and 15 closes, then we can... Well, I'm going to be looking for them sells, okay? But yeah, I'll see you all tomorrow. I'll see you all tomorrow. I've been on for an hour and a half now. I'm just going to go and stay active in the community, okay? So yeah. See you then, guys. Community, I'll see you in the chats now, and if you just hear from YouTube, I'll see you tomorrow. I'll be on for the London session tomorrow, so I'll see you then, okay? Peace.